Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel.
Today I'm performing timing belt job, the complete job on this 2004 Lexus GX 470.
And this legendary vehicle is equipped with the V8 4.7 liter, the famous also 2UZ-FE.
As you can see, I removed already lots of parts, which actually gives me chance to visibly show you how to remove serpentine belt on this engine 2UZ-FE. Also, if I remove this 14mm socket with the ratchet, you could actually perfectly see the belt routing, and it can help somebody in the future who will be wrestling with this job.
For me, it's more challenging how to position that camcorder for you so you can see the details. Maybe that will be enough. So you saw the routing, how the belt runs around, and the tensioner, it's right here. So we already mentioned 14mm socket, and you will be applying it on this bolt, which also removes that tensioner pulley. The bolt has actually a left-hand screw, so when I will go counterclockwise, that means I will start moving this ratchet towards to the passenger side, I will be actually tightening that bolt. Also, in this case, I will be loosening tension. I will go against the tension of the spring, and I will be loosening this belt. I'm not sure if you can see it.
So right now you can see it more in the detail. So I'm going with that ratchet towards to the left, counterclockwise, and look how that tension on the belt will be loosening. Do you see it moving? So this is the way. And I will put that camcorder back on the tripod and finish the removal.
And basically not only you will see how to remove it, but you got also info about that bolt. So turning it towards to the passenger side or counterclockwise, what it does, it's loosening tension on the belt. If you want to remove the pulley, that will be the second part of this information, you will be actually removing it the opposite direction than normally the loosening of the bolt happens. So if I want to replace this pulley, maybe it's noisy or something, you actually have to go to loosen the bolt. You are going clockwise, which is normally tightening movement. And it was just a quick tech video to help someone who wants to replace that serpentine belt, so there will be no guessing game, oh, what way to turn it and so on, and what a range you need for that. So thank you for watching, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.